Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be styling my hair with some clip-ins from Kinkistry. Now, if you are not new to my channel, you know that I love Kinkistry products. I love their clip-ins, I love their U-part wigs, I love their ponytails. Anything Kinkistry, it's for me. Absolutely love Kinkistry products. So I have some new clip-ins. I have an 18-inch and a 20-inch clip-ins, and these are the Coilistics clip-ins. I also have a discount code that I will leave in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out so that you can save some money on these amazing products. But let's get right into the tutorial. So I've already washed and conditioned my clip-ins. This is what the 20-inch is looking like. I am so excited about using these. I have used Kinkistry clip-ins before, but I've used them in the 12-inch and the 14-inch. So today, your girl is about to have some inches. And it's time for me to do something with this, so let's get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair for styling. Normally I just do flat twists. So I'm trying to decide if I want a middle part or a side part. So I'm gonna figure that out, get my hair prepped, and we'll be back for styling. So stay tuned. So we are back and ready to apply our clip-ins. So I did some flat twists in the back, and I'm going with a side part. So this is going to be my leave out. So I have a section here in the middle and then two sections on the sides. So I'm just gonna clip these out the way, and we are going to start with applying our clip-ins in the 18-inch. So I'm just opening up the clips, and I'm gonna start in the back. And I'm installing them right at the base of my hairline. And then I'm just gonna keep going up. I think I might add one more here, but I'm gonna see how the leave out looks with it. So we have our leave out on the side that I'm going to blend. And then we have our leave out in the middle. So I've already created part. Right, so now we just need to go in and blend this hair. Stay tuned. Okay, so I went ahead and cleaned up my part a little bit, and to define my leave out, we're going to use our Kinkistry spray bottle, and then we're going to use our Hydrolux gel. So we're gonna start with this section here with our weave out, and we are going to spray it with our mister. Get that section wet. And then we're going to go in with our gel to define the curls. So going in with about this much. And as I'm applying it to my hair, I'm also applying some of it to the clip-ins as well. The blend is perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other section and I'll be back. Okay, so here are the wet results. The blend is amazing. Loving, loving, loving it. See? These inches are swinging. It's nice and full. Can't wait for my hair to dry. I will be back with the final results, the dry results of these beautiful coilistic clip-ins in the 18-inch and 20-inch. And here is the final results. I'm absolutely loving these 18-inch coilistic clip-ins from Kinkistry. This is the 18 and the 20-inch. Loving the length, the definition, the blend, and I use my Hydrolux gel from Kinkistry to define my curls as well as the clip-ins, and I'm feeling this. I am absolutely feeling this look. Let me show you the back. Absolutely love it. Again, I'll leave my discount code below so that you can save some coins on these amazing products. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I am loving these clip-ins. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.